How to download Roblox on laptop and PC. First, go to roblox.com and log in on your account. To download Roblox on your PC or laptop, just simply choose a game that you want to play. Playing a game should automatically download Roblox in your laptop or PC. Simply click this play button. And here, you will be able to see download and install Roblox. Just simply click that and follow the next steps. This should appear in your screen and wait for Roblox to install. After that, you can play the game. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.